Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick channel update for this daily tech brief. This past Friday I recorded Is Facebook Finished? My special guest was Ryan from the DOS Geek channel here on YouTube, so check that one out. This past Saturday night, Life in Linux number 6 with myself and Tom from Switch to Linux. An interesting discussion, technology versus humanity. If you want to check out the whole vidcast, make sure you go to Switch to Linux's channel on YouTube. If you would like to download just the MP3 file, the edited version, be my guest. It is on archive.org. It is a free download, but consider making a small contribution to this channel. Thank you. And finally, let's see, this Friday, Friday the 13th, the next live event between 8 and 9 p.m. local Eastern Time, I will share with you my recorded hangout with one of the team members from Team Ubuntu, as I like to call it, Alan Pope. Alan Pope joins me from Ubuntu, discussing the past, the present, and the future, and why Ubuntu decided to go with the GNOME desktop versus everything else. Very enlightening discussion. And Alan shares a rather shocking revelation that I didn't know. That's all I have for this daily tech brief. I'll catch you on the next one. Be safe.